my name is Julie Sutcliffe and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. I'm actually in the north of the UK, and I've been enjoying being a Stampin' Up demonstrator for 17.5 years so far, and I did promise I'd do this last week. Time ran away with me, got so much going on at this time of year, as I'm sure you all have, but I promised I'd do an unboxing video of just a few items that I have got from the upcoming mini catalogue, Stampin' Up mini catalogue, that goes live, bear with me, on the 6th of January 2026. I haven't got a lot of things due to budgets and financial constraints, shall we say, but I will share with you what I have got. I've got more to come. There are some new online exclusives that are going to be available as well, and I've probably got mixed up which is which. I'm not allowed to show you the inside of this catalogue just yet until it goes live, but I will be posting some out to my regular shoppers. If you've shopped with me in the last 3 to 6 months, up to 6 months, I will be posting you a copy of this out to grace your letterbox around the end of December, so you've got something to look at in between Christmas and New Year before it goes live on the 6th. So this stamp set caught my eye, and please note we now have new packaging. Reason to celebrate. It's a really reasonable cost stamp set. I'm just going to check. I think it's £19, but I am going to check that. Yes, and it has 20 stamps in. Okay, now they are the size shown here, and I just think it's so useful because sometimes I just need an Easter stamp, but I don't want a whole Easter stamp set. So you can do Happy Easter. You know, you've got Happy Easter. You can do Valentine's Day, anniversary, graduation, New Year. Then you've got St. Patrick's Day. You can do birthday, congratulations on your special day. So it really is a super duper stamp set. Now, going forward, all our stamps will just be photopolymer. And this one is, and I'm hoping you can see that. If I hold it to the back of there, would you be able to see it a bit better? So you can see the size of them. Not too big, not too small, nice size for cards. And a lovely font as well. We all care about that, don't we? We all care. It's quite a modern font, but not too. It's readable. So I'm going to enjoy using that and putting... The thing about this stamp set is it can go with all sorts of other bundles, other papers, other sets of products. So yeah, reason to celebrate. Will that be on your wish list? And another couple of items that are from the front of the catalogue, near the front of the catalogue. That stamp set I've just shared with you is one of the first, well, not one of the first, but near the front. There's a lot of scrapbooking things near the front, but let me just, I have got my Christmas PJ top on if you do catch a glimpse of that. So these papers caught my eye. And they're called Love Notes. Now, they don't have to be for Valentine's cards. They can be for scrapbooking, all sorts, but I like that. We just click. They're very similar to the ones that we had in the recent mini that's still available, in that you can cut them down, make little tags. So you've got the words on one side, and if you don't want those words, you can actually use just the images on the other side. So these are brilliant for scrapbooking. You've got Love You More, You're Amazing, Be My Valentine, and then you've got To and From. So there's just so handy. And then these are great for a card. You can cut them down. You actually get 8 sheets of 6 designs. But I mean, how super duper is that one? So they're so handy. If you wanted to do a really quick card, you could use that And then you could do, you know, if you forgot Happy Valentine's Day with that stamp set, and boom, you'd be covered. Oh, that's a nice one on there. And then a bit of a stripe that's an all over one. Oh, and that's cute. And then, oh, we like a spot. And then hearts. So they're really nice. Nice colours. Colours in there, a cherry cobbler, Asia afternoon. 2 colours I don't often use. Flirty flamingo, garden green. Garden green's in everything at the minute. And gorgeous grape. That is one I definitely don't use. So also on the same page is, it's on the mix and match page, this ephemera. Now I've been loving things like the ephemera because I think sometimes I get a little bit lazy and I want a quick card, and so getting stamps out and everything I've just liked using. Now these ones are not sticky, and these ones I am intending to use for scrapbooking. In fact, I'm going to be using these on my demo day, my demonstrator day, and I think these are perfect for scrapbooking. Okay, so you get 2 of each design. Oh, look, and they're all falling out. I need a little, another little folder for these. Oh, and you've got some gold ones. They look great. So there's 6 sheets. 6 sheets? Yes, that's right. So they're really, really handy for scrapbooking. And then also on the same page in the catalogue, we have this Easter time mix and match. Now I said to you, I don't want an Easter stamp set because I don't really send loads of Easter cards. But I might want to do a little Easter layout. And I do love spring. So I got these ephemeras. And again, these aren't sticky, but they've just got some sort of Easter designs on. And we can use them with that stamp set I showed you. So we've got like, oh, lovely colours, eggs and flowers and gardening bits and bobs. Really nice, and a nice size. So again, they're really lovely. And they're 6 sheets as well. So I think they're lovely, and they're lovely for scrapbooking. Okay, so what else did I get? I mean, there's lots of stuff in it, lots of gorgeous stuff in it, but I was limited. So talking of Easter, I know I did get some Easter papers. Now these are quite in-your-face colours, okay, and they are called Easter Joy, and they are very joyful in colour, and the colours in them are Lemon Lolly, Pretty in Pink, Peach Pie, Balmy Blue, Shy Shamrock and Crumb Cake, but they're a speciality paper, and I do believe they've got a bit of foiling. We love a bit of foiling, don't we? Well, I do. Oh, look, can you see that? So, oh man, these are gorgeous. These, I don't know if you can hear that. These are not a paper. That is card. That is a lot thicker. You can hear it. And then you've got a lovely gingham on the back. I think you could make cards from those. Oh man, so nice. Such a nice patterns. Those stripes, really handy. They'd actually be good for baby scrapbooking. I think you could use this as your background card, definitely. They've got a bit of a sheen to them as well. And then you have these that you can cut down to make into cards for your backgrounds. And then you've got a daffodil one. With quite a neutral. That would be lovely for a baby layout. Absolutely lovely. A little baby boy layout. And finally, you've got one with eggs, which is Really nice. Do let me know what you think of these. I'm glad I put these in my basket because I wasn't sure. Oh, and a nice crumb cake like basket weave. I wasn't too sure. I thought they looked a bit gaudy. I mean, they are quite busy. And the colours, but I mean, look at that. And they are quite different to sort of what we've had before. So I'd love to know your thoughts on those. They're a lot thicker. Nice, nice. Okay. And then I've got a couple of things that I'm going to be using for the next coffee and card that starts in February after the one that starts in December. And it's going to be called Greenery Lane. And this is the stamp set. And these are the dies. And this is the washi tape that's going to go with it. So the dies are individual this time, and they will cut elements of the washi tape out, but we can also do some stamping as well. So like I did last time, I'm going to do 3 or 4 options for this one. So do look out for that. I will be advertising it once, well, probably in the next couple of weeks. I'll hope to get that advertised. So I'm looking forward to that one. It's very similar to one that I did, which will be about 5 to 6 years ago, with a gorgeous stamp set that we used to have and papers that we were talking about on Coffee and Card last week, and the name just escapes me. Was it Forever Fern? Forever Fern, I think, maybe. Anyway, it was gorgeous. So that's going to be the next Coffee and Card. And then finally, that's all I have got to share with you, is this one. It does come with a stamp set. This is one that I'm using for a demo day that I'm doing, and this is for demonstrators. I mentioned those words, the ephemera. Well, I'm going to pair them up with these papers. And these papers are called square snippets. And again, these are a little bit different to anything we've done before, and they're sort of predominantly for scrapbooking. Oh, you get 3 of each. So you've got some 3-inch, I'm presuming that's 3-inch because there's 4, yeah, squares on that side, and then a plainer pattern on the other side. And they're great because you can just cut them down and do all sorts of different layouts. Now, the demo day that I'm doing, it's in person on the 17th of January. Oh, hang on, there's 4 there. Have I got this wrong? Have I got one missing, or have I counted wrong? It's the 17th of January in person and 24th online. And please do book on if you'd like some inspiration and ideas. And we're going to be focusing on scrapbooking and using these papers. Let me just check. Oh, there are 4. Oof, I thought I'd been diddled then. And then there are some, oh, I love those, love that. And you could cut these out. There are some that are 4-inch. And you get another 4 of those. And I think these are going to be absolutely magnificent. You could do a really, really good set of scrapbook pages. And then included in the day are these dies. So there's circle, corners, little tabs and things like that. There is a stamp set, but I've tried to keep the cost to a minimum. But I thought if we used these ephemera, how gorgeous would they look, those gold letters. How gorgeous would they look if we did some scrapbooking? Let me peel one out. If we did some scrapbooking, look at that, with that. Just going to look gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah. So, yeah, I'm really, really looking forward to doing this. And I'm going to be getting busy with this during the Christmas break, making some layouts. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've got a little bit less than I normally would have. But I'm sure we all understand that. We're all feeling the pinch at some point, but there'll be more coming. But yes, if anything interests you or you like the look of it, please do let me know, leave me a comment, and I'm looking forward to creating some gorgeous projects with those gorgeous projects. Thank you for watching this short video, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.